Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Midland County in central Texas until 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:52 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thorndale, Oregon, 8 miles west of Rockdale, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rockdale and Alcoa Lake around 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Elevation, Milano, Presel, and San Gabriel. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.